Senator Panfilo Lacson has a suggestion on how to teach companies selling beauty products with the label Manila, province of China. Lacson's recommendation: jet skis at ramming speed. Using jet ski against China was a line from President Duterte. During his 2016 presidential campaign, Duterte promised to ride a jet ski to Spratly Islands and plant the Philippine flag there. Manila Mayor Isko Moreno has already ordered the closure of establishments selling products with the offending label.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.